Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about how to avoid blade drifting with a bandsaw. Now, blade drifting basically refers to the fact that if the blade is not tight enough, you're trying to make a straight cut and the blade's kind of veering away from the line you're trying to cut. There's two things you can do to help avoid this. One is the blade needs to be tight. Most bandsaws have an adjustment that allows you to tighten that blade. You shouldn't have a lot of play back and forth on that blade as it goes around and around in the same direction. The other thing is, as you're feeding the material, you need to take your time. If you're going too quickly, even if the blade is sharp enough and strong enough to cut it, you need to slow down. By going too fast, you're holding that material and you yourself can cause it to veer off of that line. So the trick is a tight blade, slow down as you push the material through, and get the results you're looking for. Coming up next, my video on 3 ways to use a bandsaw.